Welcome, greetings to all those who are far and near. Welcome back to this channel where every day there's a reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is Denesha Jarrett-Mitchell. For more information about me, go ahead and click that description box below. Join us here at 5 o'clock Jamaican time every morning. And remember to like, share, leave a comment now, and subscribe.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
May I go read from Matthew 12, 33 to 37. Make one tree good, and the fruit where it bear, I go good too. Make one tree no good, and the fruit where it bear, nah go good. Uno can know about one tree sake of the type of fruit where it bear. Uno little snake pick ne uno. Or uno can't see nothing way good when uno wicked and turn bad. Cause we come out of uno mouth and we dey in your heart. The good man do good thing sake of the good we store up in our heart. And the wicked man, the wicked thing sake of all of the wickedness we in our heart. I tell you this, pan judgment day, people are going to have to answer for every wicked thing when they say, when they should have never say in the first place. Cause at the word where we say, make we right with God. And at the word where we say, make God right we have. And on my word is, a God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.